Fucking up. Drop my trailer. Luckily I'm on this incline. Fucking up. Luckily the trailer didn't hit the ground, so I could get it up enough rung to get it right under the fifth wheel, right under the fifth wheel plate. I'm good. I had to put this sucker in low gear. Twist, twist, twist. Turn, turn, turn. So drivers, don't be like me and get in a rush. Before you pull off, if you're dropping a trailer or hooking up a trailer, make sure you do your tug test. Pushing your tractor brakes, it's an automatic. Put it in drive, press on the gear, let it rock once, let it rock twice. Just want to put it in first gear, press in your tractor brakes, slowly release the clutch, give it a little tug.
Ghost dog. Ghost dog. Ghost dog.